Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best carpet cleaner machine, the Dirt Devil FD50300. If you're tired of stains and dirty carpets, this device could change your cleaning game. Let's get started. Product features: effective dirt and stain removal. With powerful suction plus a specialized brush roll, this machine targets tough dirt and stains. It's built for high traffic zones, perfect for pets, kids, or spill-prone areas in your home. User-friendly operation. The FD5300 is designed with simplicity in mind. Its controls are intuitive, setup is quick, and you can start cleaning in minutes, even without experience. Versatile cleaning modes. Choose between a quick refresh or a deep cleaning mode based on your needs. It's perfect for light maintenance or heavy-duty stain removal, depending on the situation. Easy maintenance. Removable clean and dirty water tanks make upkeep simple. Rinsing and cleaning these parts is fast, so you're ready for the next job without hassle or mess. Compact design. Its lightweight, compact form lets you maneuver around furniture easily. It's great for smaller spaces, apartments, or homes where storage is tight. Pros: strong stain removal and suction power. Easy and intuitive to operate. 2 cleaning modes for flexibility. Tanks are removable and easy to wash. Compact and maneuverable in tight spaces. Cons: may require multiple passes on very deep stains. Tanks need regular emptying during long cleans. Small size might limit coverage on very large rooms. Final thoughts. The Dirt Devil FD50300 is a smart, practical option for anyone wanting to keep carpets fresh without fuss. It balances power, usability, and compactness, making it ideal for households that want effective cleaning without bulky equipment. Bring life back to your carpets today. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Best Product for more must-have home tools and gadget guides.